multifaceted, Mike, like
so
they always are.
You got the snow. I'm going to take a look at what's going on with the winds, and we'll check tides as well.
Yeah, speaking of which, let's talk about the coast, because that is a real big concern with this particular storm, because the storm is going to intensify so dramatically over the next 24 hours, and a lot of that intensification will have taken place and still be taking place at the time of this critical high tide, which is 4:27 in the morning. So that means from a couple of hours before till a couple of hours after, it appears there's going to be a lot of moderate coastal flooding, and pockets of major coastal flooding are really possible with this, and then you can get into issues of structural damage when you get into major flooding. So it is quite a concern. And of course, we're talking about a situation where there's a second high tide tomorrow afternoon, although the wind will be a little more from the north as opposed to the northeast, but still, that's a concern too for moderate coastal flooding and perhaps pockets of major flooding. All right, the rest, blizzard warning for eastern Massachusetts, southeastern Massachusetts, and this is how high the winds could get at the peak of this toward tomorrow morning and well into tomorrow morning. 65, 75-mile-per-hour gusts certainly possible around the Cape, particularly the outer Cape and Nantucket, but also even along the shore of southeastern Massachusetts, all the way up through Cape Ann. Even Boston's going to have very powerful winds, could be 50, 60-mile-per-hour gusts at the height of this. Now you're looking at the visibility. Notice the big drop-off across Connecticut, down around Plymouth and across Cape Cod. That's where the heavier snow is. The edge of the snow is right around Boston and the Pike, where it really counts, and you still have to get beyond 495 to really see almost no snow at all so far. So the visibility on Nantucket is down to 3/4 of a mile, and here's the radar, and notice this. Mike, I think you might be advancing this, possibly, so hang on. We're both trying to do things almost at the same time. But this is a very heavy band moving on to the Vineyard, where we've gotten reports of already 3 inches of accumulation. Just heard from Donna down there, and it is snowing to beat the band as the wind increases at the same time. So let's kind of take you out in time with this and show you what we're talking about. Here's the elements. Now, remember, the storm is intensifying down here, and the rain-snow line is only going to be an issue late tonight into tomorrow around Nantucket and possibly parts of the Cape after a big thump of snow. The rest of us pretty much see straight snow out of this, and see the heavier bands, the darker purple colors. These bands, as we get deeper into the night and into the day tomorrow, are going to produce a couple of inch-per-hour snowfall rates. Could even be as much as 3 or 4 inches per hour, a couple of hours in the most intense bands. And there you see it right there tomorrow morning, super heavy snow going on, and a very slow wind down, especially for eastern Massachusetts and the coast. It won't be till later tomorrow night or early on Wednesday. And by then, 1.5 to 2 and pockets of over 2 feet of snow in a lot of areas. And Mike, the wind, boy, is that going to be a problem.
It is going to be ferocious. And by the way, sorry about that, Harvey. Here's what we're talking about in terms of wind. I want to show you what's going to happen at Chatham. Now, these are the winds, not gusts, but sustained winds that we're talking about. And I've plotted those out over the next 12 hours. Look what happens. They ramp up, and you can see as we head towards the early morning hours, those are sustained winds, not gusts. Now, let me show you what they look like when they're gusts out there. This is what we're talking about. We're talking about some ferocious winds that are going to be developing. Right now, this is where they're at. They're not that bad. You know, they're still breezy along the coast. You can see 30-mile-an-hour wind gusts. But now, let me introduce as this storm system gets going. This is 3 o'clock in the morning. Look at those gusts. I showed you Chatham, sustained at about 45, gusts up around 56 to 60 miles per hour. That's why we say this could have wind gusts very capable of being like close to a Category 1 hurricane. We've got the strong winds going in here. This is tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Starting to be more of a northerly wind as opposed to a northeasterly wind. It's going to stay windy all day tomorrow. The snow that Harvey's talking about, it is going to be blowing across the area. You're just going to get, with that kind of a wind, it's just going to pick it up, move it around. We're going to be seeing a lot of drifting going on. So it's all said and done. I think 70, 80-mile-an-hour winds down the Cape and Islands is very possible. 60 throughout much of the South Shore. Boy, the lines load up with any kind of snow at all, and they're going to be snapping around. That's why we're going to be seeing the power outages going there, and there are going to be a number of power outages as well. We'll talk more about that and more of the coastal concerns. All that in a few minutes. Heather?